Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm
YouTube. Y'all know who it is. It's the girl Maddie. And today I'm about to prank my sister. I'm about to put some slime up in her shoes and water. Oh, here goes her shoes. These are her shoes. And here's the other one. So, yeah. I'm about to put some slime. I'm about to set up the camera. And I'm about to see her reaction, guys. I'm going to put them back in the house when I get done doing my creation. So first, let me open it. Oh, I need to let y'all see it. Hold on, let me put my phone down. Here we go. Here goes the shoes. Let me open it all the way. My mom said I can come outside. She doesn't know what I'm doing. So I'm happy. Okay, guys, this is about to be lit. Hold on. I can't wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow's my second day. It's kind of like my first day because I didn't even go to my classroom. I was just in the school. So I'm gonna do a routine tomorrow. And yeah. Oh my goodness. It's hard to open. Ow! Oh, bubble. Sorry if it takes too long. I'm gonna put a little of slime in each shoe, and then I'm gonna put water. I hope this stuff does not stick. Yeah, it doesn't. But if I add water, it's gonna really stick together. Okay. Add a little bit more. I hope, guys, when she wake up in the morning, I hope she steps into the shoes and she gets the slimy feeling. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fill up the whole shoe. So guys, I have to wake up early to get on the bus. I think I'm gonna ride the bus in the morning, or I should just ride it in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm just gonna ride it in the afternoon. There we go. Now let me put some water. I'm gonna put the rest of the slime. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put it up in her shoe. I'm gonna take this out. No, I'm gonna put this in the trash. I'm gonna take out the golden thing. This is what it got in here, guys. Okay, I'm about to come back with y'all when I'm done putting this in the trash. Guys, I had to move my phone because so many ants was on it, so I had to put it behind the rock. Had to put a rock behind it. I got the slime in the shoes. Hold on, guys. I got the slime in the shoes. Each shoe got slime in it. Now let me get the water hose on and put water in it. I gotta hurry up before she comes out here and I get caught. Yeah. It's so many rocks up in here, guys. I'm scared. I'm gonna put that right there. No, I got to. Yeah, I hear you. Okay. Here goes the water hose. Oh, snap. Alright, let me cut it up. Guys, only a little bit of water is enough. Here we go. Not really that much water is coming out. I need a lot. I need a lot of water. I need the whole thing full. Y'all see how much is coming out at the time? Hold on. Let me. Okay, guys, this is how much water I got. I'm just gonna say that's enough because it's not coming out a lot. So I'm gonna cut out the water holes. Put it down. I hope it don't fall. Well, hope, cause it took too long. Is that a bug? That's why I'm going so low because it was not even on all the way. Duh. Oh my goodness, my feet. I hope I don't drop no water. But it's already a little. Okay, I didn't drop any water. Now, I have to put the water in the shoes. Oh, snap. I need a good angle so I can see me pouring the water in. I almost fell and broke my neck, guys. Okay. Do y'all think this is a bad prank? I think this is gonna be funny. Guys, I think this is bad. I'm just gonna put water in his shoes. I might put a little bit of slime. Cause this stuff, what if it melts up in her shoe and it gets messed up? I'm not trying to take the blame. You know what? I'm good. Cause this stuff's not even sticking to the bottom of her shoe. Like I thought it was going to, so I'm good. I gotta enjoy my first day of school. Guys, it's slimy. Hold on. Here goes the shoe. I ain't gonna do it like this. Here goes. Now I'm all done, guys. I'm just gonna have to figure out a way to sneak in the shoes without getting noticed. Look at this. It feels way better than it did before. It's because it's wet. It's really slimy, guys. Oh snap! It is really good. Like I like this slime like this. You know what, guys? I'm about to pour this in the bucket, and then I might. Oh snap! It's clear and pretty. God, this is a bad idea. This stuff is sticking. Oh my goodness, no! This was not supposed to be like this. It's not supposed to be like that. It's sticking to the ground and everything. Look at this. Hold on. If y'all can see, can't y'all hear that? It's the ground. It's on the ground. Okay, I'm about to try to take this out the shoe without any damage. More damage. I'm going to pour this in the grass. I'm going to pour it on top of the grass. Oh my goodness. Because I don't have no time for this concrete messed up. And anyway, when the man cuts the grass, it's gonna be fine, because I'm just gonna mix the grass in with the slime. So yeah, and the ants might eat it, so yeah. And I'm gonna pour some water on it so it won't look like nothing. Ew, look at my hand, guys. Both of my hands are messed up. Okay, I'm about to try to show y'all. Look at this grass. It looks completely normal. But look at my hand. Evidence. I need to wash it off. But how am I supposed to do that? Again. I need it. Oh, this was an epic fail. I was just trying to be nice at the end. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone right here, so y'all can see me wash off my hands. Look out of the water again. My feet are hurting. Ow. Okay, the water is going high. What the heck? Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Well, this was an epic fail. Now I gotta put the water hose all the way over there to wash out the grass. This was the worst prank ever. Let me lift this up. This is the worst prank I've ever done. It didn't even work. The prank didn't work. Ow, my fingers. And it's painful. I don't like this prank at all, guys. I'm gonna end it out right here because I gotta clean up and everything. So, peace.